Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to recover iPhone passcode without losing data. So let's just say you've forgot your passcode, which is a really huge thing, and you want to recover it. So you connect it with your basically iTunes onto your PC or laptop, and you're gonna be simply resetting literally everything. And the only way to not lose your data is iCloud backup. So simply search in here for iCloud, and once you reset your phone, you're going to be simply signing in the same exact ID, and then you can see we have our photos saved, drive files and everything, even messages. So this is going to be helping you to retrieve that data. It is going to be for the time go away, but it is going to be eventually coming back once you simply sign in your iCloud ID again. This is the only way that you can protect your data on an iPhone. Otherwise, try your luck with third-party softwares, but I do not recommend doing that since iCloud is only the solution. I know. And yeah, I hope this helps and this advice was helpful for you guys. If you find it interesting or helpful, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.